What does it mean to be a neighbor? The word neighbor has its roots in Old English, derived from Neighbour, meaning near dweller. Historically, the concept of a neighbor was closely tied to physical proximity. But in today's increasingly interconnected world, the definition has expanded. A neighbor can be someone who lives next door, or someone who shares a community with you. They can also be someone you've never met, but with whom you share a common cause or interest. Research shows that having good relationships with neighbors can have a positive impact on our well-being. Studies have found that strong neighborhood ties can lead to increased feelings of safety and belonging. So, whether it's the person next door or someone across the globe, the essence of being a neighbor is about connection, empathy, and a shared sense of community. It's about looking out for one another and creating a better world together.